Recording.
Okay, I have just gone into preferences. I have turned on airplane mode. I have connected the sky controller. I have gone into the settings. I have made sure that the Bebop is in the automatic Wi-Fi channel mode, auto. It is set for the United States. It is set for outdoor. I have full Wi-Fi connection. And it's now connecting to the drone. Tells me I am connected. I have 41% on the sky controller and 99%. Shit. Stop! Stop! And I have 91% on the drone. Okay, let's get started. And I also have a GPS lock. So the drone is now telling me I am 7 meters away from it. So let's also make sure we have our return to home after 60 seconds. Let's actually make that 30. 30, okay. All right, let's go. I am 25 meters away.
Don't go over the road.
I'm not. I am 60 meters away. I am 80 meters away. I am 100 meters away. I am 120 meters away. Now the video is starting to get a little bit laggy, and I have 3 Wi-Fi LEDs. I am 170 meters away. I am 180 meters away. I am 200 meters away. I am now stopping. The video is getting very fuzzy, and I only have, as you can see, 2 lights, and I'm at 213 meters away. I shall continue to go farther. Responses are laggy. Go higher, and let's go forward. 217 meters away.
Is it returning home?
Nope, because I'm still going. I am at 280 meters away. It's getting very laggy. Very laggy, but we're still good. Go raise the height a little bit. I still have 2 Wi-Fi connection lights. It's very laggy, extremely laggy. The height is also 30 meters above the ground, and I have 1 LED light, and I'm 520 meters away. I am now 600 meters away, very laggy, but I should also be getting 4 times this range. So let's see how far I can really go. 700 meters away. I'm gonna turn a bit so I don't go into a road. Very laggy, but I am now 900 meters away with 1 LED light, or almost 900. Oh,